Niche ideas for beginners. Starting an online business can feel overwhelming. With so many options, where do you even begin? The answer is simple, it all starts with finding the right niche. In today's video, I'm breaking down how to choose a niche step by step, so you can build a profitable online business that truly excites you. A niche is your unique corner of the market. It's what makes you stand out and connects you with the right audience. The beauty of having a niche is that the more specific you are, the easier it is to attract the right people and build trust. Think of a niche as your superpower. For example, instead of starting a general fitness blog, you could focus on fitness for busy moms. The more specific your focus, the more you'll stand out in a crowded market. The easiest way to find your niche is to start with you. What are you passionate about? What interests you? Chances are, there's a group of people who share your passions and would benefit from your knowledge. Remember, you are your best customer avatar. Once you know your niche, it's time to find your tribe, people who share your values and interests. Let's say you're passionate about travel. Your tribe could be aspiring digital nomads who want to build online businesses. Focus on solving their specific problems, like budget travel tips or productivity hacks. Here's the ultimate test: would you buy your product or service? If your idea doesn't excite you enough to invest in it yourself, it's time to refine your focus. The more your business aligns with your passions, the more driven you'll be to succeed. Don't try to appeal to everyone, that's a recipe for burnout. Instead, focus on a small, specific market with a problem you can solve. For example, instead of targeting all fitness enthusiasts, focus on fitness coaching for women over 50. The more specific your niche, the easier it is to become an authority. Choosing the right niche is the first step toward building a successful online business. Focus on what excites you, connect with your tribe, and solve their problems. Remember, there's always room for your unique perspective in the online world. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what niche you're considering. Your success starts with the first step. Go find your niche today.
For details, visit the website mentions below in description.